Today we're checking out this pretty comprehensive Paris Rhône knife set with block. I'm going to unbox it and then we're going to wash everything up and then I'm going to see how sharp everything is and how well it performs. First up, we have a very heavy duty block to house the knives, as well as a knife sharpener on the back, which is a nice feature. Okay, so we have a pair of scissors. Scissors have the bottle opener on it, which is very nice. Let's see, we have the fork, great for slicing meat. I'm not sure which slot that goes in. We have a steak knife, that'll go down there. We have a boning knife. We have the long paring knife, the slicer. I have to tell you, these are heavy knives. They feel sharp, nice blades. We'll get you some close-ups, of course. Now we have the bread knife, serrated edge on that. The smaller paring knife. This reminds me a lot of the KitchenAid set that I've owned for years. Heavy duty, and we have the shorter serrated knife here. And here we have the main knife that we'll be dealing with, and boy does it feel really nice here. The chef's knife. And finally we have the Santoku knife here. There's what it looks like all set up. So you get 14 knives, 6 of them are steak knives. You get the pair of scissors and you get the fork as well. Here's another look at the full set. You can see it has this really cool texture on the blades. Everything feels very solid. Even the serrated knife has that cool texture to it. The thing I like most about this design is the Full-Tang, where the tang of the knife passes all the way through the handle and then is triple riveted, put together very well. Unlike some of the plastic knives that might not have the Full-Tang, maybe stops here or something like that, with a handle that can become wobbly and loose and ultimately fall off. So this appears to be really nice construction. You can see it's continuous all the way through with the triple rivets. Let's put them to work.